Hi everyone. Today I'll be making bacon and cheddar deviled eggs. We're going to find some deviled eggs that Dave likes, and I think this will be one of them. We need 12 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and cut in half lengthwise with the yolks removed. 1/2 cup mayo, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1½ teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/3 cup crumbled bacon plus extra for garnish, 1/4 cup finely shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh chives or scallions plus extra for garnish. So let's begin. All right, so take your egg, cut it lengthwise, dump out your yolk. Be careful, I just broke the whites on that. And lay it on the platter. Some yolks like to stick, so if you don't get it completely out, it's not going to be the end of the world. Unless you're a perfectionist, then I don't know what to tell you. So yolks in the bowl, whites on the platter. All right, in the medium bowl with the yolks, you want to add the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, the 1/2 cup of sour cream, the 1½ teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and the 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And take a fork and mix that well. And it probably would have been easier if I would have smooshed the yolks first. Take your 1/3 cup of crumbled bacon, your 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and your 2 tablespoons of chives or scallions. I have 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, and mix that until fully incorporated. I think he's gonna like this. It's got the mayonnaise, it's got the mustard. I'm not sure, the sour cream probably won't bother him. And he likes bacon and cheese, so I think Dave's gonna like this. I sure hope anyway. Now we're gonna fill our 12 eggs, which is 24 halves. Some of these eggs are very, very thin on the end because the yolks are clear at the bottom, which makes it a little tough. So I'm going to try to do it the best I can. All right, so I'll finish this up and then we'll garnish it. All right, so then we're going to garnish it with leftover bacon. We'll just sprinkle some bacon on the top of all of them. Who doesn't like bacon? And I know this is the packaged bacon crumbles, but it is still real bacon. And Buddy thinks it tastes like bacon, so it's a win-win. And then I just use the green part of the green onions. That actually makes it look more colorful. And you don't really want a whole lot, just enough to give it some color. So there you have the bacon and cheddar deviled eggs. You can serve this right away or put it in the refrigerator to chill until you're ready to serve. Dave should be home in about a half an hour, so I'll give it a little bit of chilling time, and then we can do a taste test. So here are the bacon cheddar deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal, our homemade microwavable pickles and panko breaded liver. Let's see what Dave thinks.
More trick eggs.
More trick eggs. You can pop it all in your mouth. Trust me.
I'm okay with these.
They are bacon cheddar deviled eggs.
Oh, okay. Yeah, these are actually good. Really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.